into the water, it can splash water here, and it can affect those electrical groups that here also, even the engine computer. So we have to be sure that everything is okay here. This car, the engine, the computer have a warranty, 4 years warranty. So that if your car is 2020, maybe it's gone, but it's 21, 22, maybe you can have fixed under the warranty. But right now we're gonna go check fuel injectors if they're okay, and then engine control module also I will check for programming, and then engine control module programming, and fuel injector, power control module, injectors. Those are the things that I have to work on it. Yes, the fan is working fine, everything is good. I gotta check the fuel pressure also. Sometimes you can say injector, but if the fuel pressure is not good, also can do that. Okay. Let me see the mass airflow meter sensor, how much I have reading. I want to eliminate those codes. I'm going to spend some time on it. Let me see the engine computer, the airflow meter sensor reading. How many grams I supposed to have? You see mass airflow meter sensor, 2.3 grams, which is good. 2 mass airflow meter sensor. It's supposed to be like 2.4. You see there is a the mass airflow meter sensor is not working good. But I'm not gonna change it. I gotta look for why. Zero. This reading, I don't believe is gonna be. It's not steady. Let me see the engine speed too. I want to add engine speed. No, engine speed, not vehicle speed. Okay, 700 RPM. You see this mass airflow meter sensor is very, it's not steady. That's why maybe measurement is not okay. But you have to look at that and see why the reading is like this. It's supposed to be reading better than this. It's supposed to stay steady. 2.4, yeah, 2.4 supposed to be steady, but the way it's played is not good. So we're gonna start by analyzing those mass airflow meter sensor. I gotta be sure that my injectors. Let me go to my injectors. Injectors or misfire. injectors. Injectors. Yeah, but still I have something, you know, like the car is pulling down. Okay, so I'm gonna go from inside. I will check all the injectors, scope them, see if they are working fine, and then we can come back to the air flow emitter sensor. Air flow emitter sensor already I don't like that one. I'm gonna look if there is an update. I will update the computer to the latest software. If it doesn't fix, we go to the next. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. This is gonna be second video for this car, and we continue working on it till we have to fix this problem. Thank you.